What is going on, everybody? It's your boy John, and welcome back to Gearbox. So, today, once again, we have another install for the 2019 F-150 XLT. In the last video, we went ahead and did the headlights, and now we are going to turn it around 180 degrees. We are going to knock out the taillights. So similar to the headlights, these are going to be a full halogen to LED conversion. Let me see. Aha. Yes. If you haven't noticed already, I'm a huge fan of clear lenses and dark housing. I just, smoked lenses and stuff like that look great, but I'd rather be able to be seen, and really don't want to flirt with the whole idea of getting pulled over and all that sort of stuff. So anyway, we are going to go ahead, drop the tailgate, get these taillights in, and should really tie the entire truck together. Once again, just converting everything to LED. Halogen's just no thank you. So we're going to do that. We actually have a bonus mod as well. Nothing too special. I'll touch on it later in the video, so make sure you stick around. But without further ado, I'm going to get the truck in place. We're going to drop the tailgate. We're going to get right to it. Also, just want to go ahead and throw it out here after that B-roll clip. You see my crazy socks here. One, I just got freaking water on it. Damn, opened the truck bed and it poured here last night. Now my sock is wet, but I just got home from work and they're dress socks and we don't care. We're jumping right into it. So obviously we got the tailgate down, ready to go. I really, to be honest with you, I haven't looked at anything here, but it looks like, I don't know, maybe some 8 mil or something right there and then rip them out. I mean, can't be too hard, so I'm gonna go grab the taillights and kind of get everything set up, and we shall keep moving forward. All right, so because I am so smart, we are working with an 8 mil ratchet. I think we're just gonna go ahead and go here. All right, so once you have the two 8 mils out here, gonna be pretty simple. Just going to kind of get a hold of it. We're gonna pull out as such, and then pretty simple. Just a couple connections similar to the headlight. We are going to, unplug those, plug them back in. What you might realize, and I realized that I just broke one of them, there are two tabs. One is here, one is here, and you'll obviously see the corresponding places where those go in. So when you're actually putting the new taillight in, just make sure you have those aligned, but much more simple than the headlight. We will leave it at that. So one thing to point out here, so obviously this is going to be like your main female connection. These headlights, I'm assuming just because it's going to LED, has these two little module things with 3M tape. I need to figure it out. I mean, obviously that's that side taillight, this one's this side. But what I'm thinking is just putting it like in here, so there's this little like recess deal where this wire essentially goes. I'm thinking about just sticking it in there. I really don't see a whole lot of potential to put it anywhere else, but just something to keep in mind. But I mean, very, very simple. One connection, 3M those bad boys in, and then once again, just pay attention to these little tabs. Although these are metal, which is nice, so you don't break them like that one. But I'm gonna set y'all down. We're gonna throw this puppy in. We're gonna do a side-by-side comparison, wrap it up, and then get to the mystery mod of the truck today. I'm just gonna go ahead and say these look sick. The fitment is awesome. One thing to keep in mind is, although we have these two tabs here, you also need to look for this tab. So that's gonna go like right here at the top. So just make sure you're pushing it in the exact direction that you would like for the tail light to go. But just out of curiosity, let's go ahead and click. Oh yeah, okay. That looks amazing. I doubt y'all can really tell on camera, but that red is like red. Like it looks like lava almost, and that sounds dumb. And then just seeing the LEDs, like the individual LEDs here, that I'm impressed. And it was probably the easiest install I've ever done on anything in my entire life. So that is amazing. And then you go ahead and you look at that, right? And you compare it with this. Once again, dark housing, LEDs. That looks sick. All right, I'm a fan. I know this is kind of a long clip, but let's just go ahead. So you have that, okay? And then we have the regular old dinky boy. I mean, that's just not even a comparison. So yeah, I am pumped. 10 out of 10 for sure. So obviously we have one taillight done. We need to get the second one done. I'm gonna put y'all down, probably just roll B-roll for that entire install of the second one. We'll get back and show you the finished product, and we'll be golden. Hopefully now y'all have a pretty good idea of what these taillights look like in the install process. I mean, super easy. I cannot overemphasize that enough. It was simple, literally an 8mm, and you line things up and plug them in, and you're good. And I think it just looks phenomenal. It really goes well with that dark gray paint on that 2019 F-150. Now, on to the bonus mod of the day. Let me just go ahead and show you what we might be doing. And we are going to drop the tailgate. Notice anything? The mod we're going to do today is a easy lift or assisted tailgate thing. Basically, with a lot of new trucks, they have this piston, which looks similar to this, and it's going to mount right about here, and it's going to help kind of lessen the weight of the tailgate. This is mainly for my fiance. My fiance is not big. She's not too terribly strong either. So when she first lowered the tailgate, she's like, "John, it can't be that bad." I'm like, "No, it's pretty heavy. It's unassumingly heavy is probably the best way to put it." Anywho, I got this on, I don't know, realtruck.com or something for like $40 maybe. And basically what we're going to do, to my understanding, is this bracket right here is going to mount under here. So we're going to unscrew this, put the mounting bracket on, and then we will be able to attach this piston, kind of like a tie rod, to some mounting shit here. Actually, here's a good image of it right there. But either way, it's going to be pretty easy. I just need to figure out what in the hell that is. But anyway, we will get to it. So let me kind of get my shit in order as far as tools required, and then I will get back to y'all in a sec. So a few things to note right off the bat. I know in the last clip I showed you this right there. This kit actually comes with probably the largest Allen key I've ever seen in my life, and fits perfectly right there. Now, what we're going to do first, according to the instructions, is we're going to come down here to this mounting plate. You've got these two 10mm bolts. We're going to take this one all the way out, and we are going to loosen this one, but do not take it out. What we're going to do from there, I believe this will slide in like that. And this will obviously be one mounting point for the piston, and then we're going to essentially do the same thing up top with this, connect it all together and be good to go. So I need to get my 10mm ratchet here, and then we will get this bracket off and get moving with the mystery mod of the day. So one thing to point out here, guys, is once this plate is installed, just make sure you go behind this bolt here, and then make sure you tighten it back down. I still need to do that. Notice here though, we have a 5mm hex bolt as opposed to this piece of hardware here. This is what originally came out. They want you to actually replace that with this 5mm hex. I'm assuming it's for clearance to get to this mounting point here, but either way, just something easy, and you should have the Allen key, so no big deal. And once again, remember to tighten this down. So I'm going to button this up real quick. We'll go up to the top, and then we shall keep going on here. So now that we have both of the mounting points installed, both down here on the tailgate and up here, as you can see where the cable attachment is, now it's time to install the piston. So this shorter end right here, I know it's kind of hard to tell without seeing it, but this end, the skinnier end, will attach down on the tailgate. The larger end, the thicker end, is going to attach right here. So once we kind of get that all buttoned up together, we'll be good to give it its first test and see how this product works. But all in all, the install and everything like that's been super simple. No headaches today, thank God. So let's go ahead, get this attached to both mounting points, and then we'll give her a test run. And just like that, we have this piston installed. Just so you're aware, basically these little attachments, you just push them on. You need to give them a little bit of force to be able to get them over the heads of the mounting points. Also, it says to install this one first. I think the reason being is when it's down there, you have to pull the piston apart, which takes a little bit of force. But once you get it up, obviously we attach it here. So I'm about to set y'all down, and we're gonna give her first test run and see if our $40 paid off. And then we will wrap up the video. So there you have it for another episode of Gearbox, guys. I hope you enjoyed the taillight install. I think it looks great. And then obviously the mystery mod. I think we're going to start adding mystery mods. Just little kind of trinkets here and there on this channel, both for the Subi, for the Ford, for other Ford, whatever else is to come. I don't know. I thought it was kind of cool. But anyway, y'all, if you enjoyed this video, as always, give it a big fat thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you have any tips and tricks working on a 2019 F-150, or if you have any mods that you want to see in the future for this truck. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, you know the drill. And until next time, peace.